Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a DIY spring wreath using Dollar Tree items. I got the wreath form from Dollar Tree along with the burlap ribbon that I am wrapping around, and I am trying to use as much as I can to wrap around the wreath form. Once you're done wrapping around the burlap ribbon, secure it with hot glue. Next, take your choice of flower bouquet from Dollar Tree. I decided to go with the purple and yellow theme, and here I am separating the stems and cutting them out. I'm cutting off the little bouquets that I've made so it's easier to attach to the wreath form. Next, I cut a little piece of wood that I will attach in the middle. I cut out this welcome lettering using my Cricut Explorer, and now I'm attaching it to the wood piece. I hope you guys enjoy this simple DIY spring wreath and hope you give it a try yourself. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you subscribe for more videos. Until next time, peace out.